Today is day 25th of December. It was so foggy today. At least now. Oh guys, it's foggy. I have to rush because my subway might be. I have to make sure I make it that subway. Give me some patience. This is the parking. But I don't know where is parking to that other place. After 8 p.m. I don't see any people. At least here I see some people like doing something with cars, and in the front of his building I don't see. So I don't know how I could come here with car. It would be more convenient, to be honest. And I would just take car. But when bus will be closed. Turn out the one nurse that works here actually. She lives on the same street as us, so it's funny. She's a neighbor, so that will make John more comfortable to talk with her around things because they live on the same street. Here is breakfast. Even on BTA station you can find some animals. I can show you. Here. One pigeon. There is another one, I think. And some over. Why did I some? Not. Only enter. Pigeons coming from Verna, and they sleep here. There is another cute sleeping one, and here one cute, and one by one. Sleeping, and then still waiting on bus. Here is rack for bikes. There is parking lot. I'm thinking sometimes I could come and park in the parking lot. Only worth it in weekends because it's only $3. So I could do it, but in normal weekdays it's $9. So I'm thinking I might do it this weekend when I figure out how to do it. As they say, pay by phone. And I never did that yet. Maybe I try. Look guys, how scary it looks. That fog near my street here. Wow, looks so scary. Never. And I'm in the night, and I'm afraid actually, because it looks so scary. I have to walk fast. Never been so alone in the middle of, late night, holiday, and it's so scary. And John in hospital. Because even holidays are sad. Never. Hopefully, always together. I mean, at least we were spending time in hospital together. At least they allow, and he a little bit getting better. Like he still cannot eat well and drink, cool down. But hopefully tomorrow. I think tomorrow I will go to him too. But first I will go work for a few hours and then I will go over to check how things do, how he doing, if he can eat. If not, I will maybe say something to the doctors. It's too long not eating, so now I'm going. He will get weak. So mysterious. Look, guys. So foggy. So spooky too. Like this. Oh, there's some lights in window. Oh, it looks cute. Oh, there's two. What is this about the lights in the windows? If you know, tell me in the comment. This house also have lights in the windows, like here. I don't wanna fire, so anyway, I'm close. Okay, bye. So I came home good, safely, and I will do some fries today for dinner. Late dinner as it's 11:24 p.m. I will put my Christmas tree, which is here. Here is my Christmas tree. Today we still have Jesus' birthday. Oh, yeah, Christmas Day. So I should celebrate it with Christmas tree and what else? And actually in Poland we celebrate Christmas 2 days. 25th and 26th is also off day. That's why actually tomorrow we have Christmas too. Christmas holiday in Poland, and I'm from Poland, so actually I can celebrate tomorrow, and actually I will do it. I mean, actually I'm not going to work because I saw the text from work from Amazon that they offering full day of voluntary time off. So I decided I will go. I took it and don't have to go to work. I don't have to excuse it because it's voluntary time off. I mean, it's not paid, but at least I don't lose my UPT, which is unpaid time off, and I can keep it for some emergency. So yeah, so I will go to John sooner than later, and maybe day after tomorrow I will go to work for full day or half day. I'm not sure yet. We will see how he feels tomorrow. If he feels bad and they not allow him again to eat, I will have to go to for full day after tomorrow because I'm scared of him not eating, you know. I prefer to have things on, to control things under control, that's what I meant. So here are my fries. I will put some oil over them, the spray one. Yeah. and when it will be heated, I will heat. Also, I will do salad to have with fries, to have something, some healthy things too. So I will make salad, typical one, and then I will eat it. So see you later. So here is my dinner salad from lettuce, cucumber, tomato, some cheese and red onion and dressing, and here are fries, the green ones, and some ketchup. Okay, bye.